늦은 밤 작은 목소리로 7장 15절에서 22절까지 녹음합니다. 내가 내 헛된 날에 이 모든 일을 본즉 자기의 의로운 중에서 멸망하는 의인이 있고 자기 악행 중에서 장수한 악인이 있으니 15절 In this meaningless life of mine I have seen both of these, a righteous man perishing in his righteousness, and a wicked man living long in his wickedness. 16절 지나치게 은이 되지 말며 지나치게 치에다도 되지 말라. 어찌하여 스스로 패망케 하느냐. Do not be over righteous, neither be over wise. Why destroy yourself? 17절 지나치게 악인이 되지 말며 오매다도 되지 말라. 어찌하여 기한 전에 죽으려느냐. Do not be over wicked and do not be a fool. Why does before your time? 18절 너는 이것을 잡으며 저것을 놓지 마는 것이 좋으니 하나님을 경외하는 자는 이 모든 일을 벗어날 것이니라. It is good to grasp the one and not let go of the other. The man who fears God will avoid all extremes. 19절 지혜가 지혜자로 성부 가운데 열 유사보다 능력이 있게 하느니라. Wisdom makes one wise man more powerful than 10 rulers in a city. 20절 선을 행하고 죄를 범치 아니한 의인은 세상에 아주 없느니라. There is not a righteous man on earth who does what is right and never sins. 21절 무릇 사람의 말을 들으려고 마음을 두지 말라. 염려컨대 내 종이 너를 저주하는 것을 들으라. 21절 Do not pay attention to every word people say, or you may hear your servant cursing you. 22절 마지막 너도 가끔 사람을 저주하는 것을 내 마음이 아느니라. For you know in your heart that many times you yourself have cursed others. HCSB 성경 15절 Avoiding extremes. In my futile life I've seen everything. There is a righteous man who perishes in spite of his righteousness, and there is a wicked man who lives long in spite of his evil. Don't be excessively righteous, and don't be overly wise. Why should you destroy yourself? 17절 Don't be excessively wicked and don't be foolish. Why should you die before your time? It is good that you grasp the one and do not let the other slip from your hand. For the one who fears the Lord God will end up with both of them. Wisdom makes the wise man stronger than 10 rulers of a city. There is certainly no righteous man on the earth who does good and never sins. Don't pay attention to everything people say, or you may hear your servant cursing you, for you know that many times you yourself have cursed others.